Okay, and it is time of 12:15. Okay, then we can start our session. I welcome Rajesh sir. Please, sir.
Good morning, all. Warm welcome to my class. This is Rajesh Kashojala, a mathematician. Today, we are going to discuss one more topic here, and this topic is exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. What is exponent? We are going to discuss here. First of all, if I want to write 2 here and multiplying number of times, two into 2 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 we are writing here. Next 3 I am writing 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into so on. That means what we are doing, we are multiplying number so many number of times, same number so many number of times we are multiplying here. Then this is the way, if we are writing, it is very difficult to write all the things as it is. Then what we have to do here, we have a symbolization here. For this we can write as, observe here, what we have here, 2 we are multiplying here. How many times we are multiplying 2 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times we are multiplying here. Observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times we are multiplying here. So simply we can write this as, which we are multiplying here? We are multiplying 2 we are multiplying here. So simply write down 2. And how many times we are multiplying the same number? 8 times we are multiplying here. So simply write down 8 here. And this is called as 2 is raised up to the power of 8. 2 is raised to the power of 8 we can say here. Or simple language we can say 2 to the power of 8. In simple language we can say 2 to the power of 8. But originally we have to say here 2 is raised up to the power of 8. Now the next one example I am taking here. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Observe here, how many 3's we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3's we have here. So simply we can write this as 3 to the power of 6 we can write here. What we are writing here? 3 to the power of 6 we are writing here. So this is nothing but we are writing in the short form here. And what we can call this as here, suppose if I am taking a to the power of m, in general a to the power of m can be written as a into a into a into so on. How many times we have to write? M times we have to write like this. A into a into a into a into so on. How many times we are writing here? M times we are writing here. Now you observe here, what we can write now? A is called base and M is called exponent. In this short form, A is called base and M is called exponent. Let us take some more examples here. Like this. What is this here? Base 8 exponent 9. So like this we can write the given as base and exponent. So this one is 3 is base, 4 is exponent, 5 is base, 7 is exponent, 8 is base, 9 is exponent. Okay sir, we wrote all the exponents as positive numbers only, 4, 7, 9. Now we may get a doubt, sir, is there any negative exponents? Yes, we have negative exponents also. Now we'll discuss the same one here. Powers with negative exponents. How we are going to derive here? Just observe here. I am taking few examples. With that I am going to give you about the topic of powers with negative exponents. 10 to the power of 3 I am writing here. How we can write 10 to the power of 3 we are writing here. Now 10 to the power of 3 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10, nothing but 1000 we are writing here. 10 to the power of 3 as 10 into 10 into 10. How many times? 3 times. It is going to be 1000. Now I am decreasing exponent by 1. What it is going to be? 10 to the power of 2. 10 into 10, nothing but 100. 10 into 10, nothing but 100. Now compare with this 1000. What it is going to be here? It is decreasing. That means dividing with 10. So 1 by 10th part is decreasing here, nothing but what we can write this as 1000 by 10 we can write. 1000 by 10 we are writing here. Next 10 to the power of 1 can be written as 10 only. Now comparing with the previous one, what is previous one is 100. Now 10 we got here, again dividing with 10 we will get 10 here. That means again 1/10th part is decreasing here. So nothing but we can write 100 by 10. Now 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 0, and here you have to remember that the base to the power of, it may be any kind of base, any kind of number, but whenever the power 0 we are going to get automatically 1 here. So remember this, a to the power of 0 value is going to be 1 always. And compare with the previous one, 10 we have here, again 1/10 it has to be decreased here. So what we can write now? 10 by 10 we are writing here. 10 by 10 we are writing. Just observe here once again, 10 to the power of 3, 1000, 10 to the power of 2 is 100, 1000 by 10, 10 to the power of 1 is 100 by 10, 10 to the power of 0 is 10 by 10. So according to the previous one, it is just decreasing 1/10th value. 1/10th value. Okay, now this is positive, this is positive, this is also positive, this is 0. Now what we have to discuss? Powers with negative exponents we have to discuss here. Next, what next? After 0, if you are going to integers, after 0 decreasing position, what we will get here? -1 we will get here. So what we can write now? 10 to the power of -1 we are writing here. 10 to the power of -1. Observe here, what it is? 1000. Next value is becoming 1/10 of previous value, and this value is becoming 1/10 of previous value. This value is becoming 1/10 of previous value. Now what is previous value? We have here 1. So for this we have to take 1/10. So how much it is going to be? 1 by 10 we can write here. 1 already we have here, 1 by 10 we have to write here. Next one more you write down. Again 1/10 it should become, it should decrease 1/10. So what it is going to be? 1 by 100 we are going to get here. And generalize we can one thing here. What it is? If you want to write, you can write 10 to the power of -3 also. What will you get? 1 by 1000 of -2 is 100. 10 to the power of -3 is 1 by 1000. So what we can say here, depending here, numerical values. So depending on these numerical values, we are getting the zeros, number of zeros here. For 1, 1 0, for 2, 2 zeros, for 3, 3 zeros, we are getting in denominator. So what we can write in general, suppose if I am writing, once again, I can write like this, 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. For 3, I got 3 zeros. 10 to the power of 2, 100. 10 to the power of 1, 10. Observe here. 10 to the power of 3. For 3, 3 zeros. For 2, 2 zeros. For 1, 1 zero. Now 10 to the power of 0, no zeros. Simply write down 1. The number of zeros are all increasing here. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, it should increase. Where it should goes to? In numerator we have. Now it is going to denominator. How we are writing here? 10 to the power of minus 1. 1 by 10 we are writing. 0 is decreasing to numerator to denominator, number of zeros. So it is coming to denominator here. 1 by 10. 10 to the power of minus 2. 2 we have here. So 1 by 100 we are writing. 10 to the power of minus 3. 1 by 1000 we are writing here. Okay. So like this we can write, and in general we can write the formula as a to the power of minus m can be written as 1 by a to the power of m. A to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m we can write here. Okay. And one more we can write here. What it is? A to the power of 0 can be written as 1 also. A may be any kind of positive integer. So a to the power of minus m nothing but 1 by a power m, and a to the power of 0 is going to be 1 we are writing here. Now let us see expanded form regarding this exponents. Now we are taking expanded form here. What is expanded form? Already we know how to expand a given number, integer, in regarding the place values, ones, tens, thousands, 10,000s, hundreds, like this. Now what you are doing here, let me take an example here. $3,452 I am taking here. 3,452. Now what we are doing here, just we are going to expand this value 3,452. In the name only we have here 3,000s. So write it down as 3,000s plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. Now 3,000s we have here. So we can write 3 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 50 we have here. So 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Now you observe here. The first one we got is 1000. First one we got is 1000. What 1000 can be written as 10 to the power of 3 we can write. Second one 100. 10 to the power of 2 we can write. Third one 10 to the power of 1 we can write. Next one 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0. So we are writing the expanded form in terms of exponents here with the base 10. Write down. How it is? 3 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power of 0 we are writing here. Ten to the power of 0 we are writing here. So like this we can expand the given number in terms of exponents with the base 10. Let me another example we are going here. 23,546 I am taking here. 23,546. Sir, how we are going to do here? This can be written as 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 6. 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 6. Now you observe here, this 20,000 can be written as 2 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 6 into 1. 10,000s, thousands, 100, tens, ones. Depending on base 10, what we can write here? How many zeros we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros we have. So this can be written as 2 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 3 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 6 into, for 1 what you are going to write? 10 to the power of 0 we are going to write. So like this we can expand the given number in the form of exponents also. Okay. Now we are going with the decimals, expansion form of decimals. Already we have observed in our previous classes. The same thing, decimals we are going to show in the form of exponents here. Next example I am taking 543.87 I am taking 543.87. Now what we are doing here? 543.87. In the chapter of decimals we discussed 0.87 can be written as 8 into 1 by 10 and 7 into 1 by 100. The same thing we are going to write here. Observe, this can be written as 500 plus 40 plus 3 plus 0.8 you can write plus 0.07 you can write here. Observe here, 8 is in first place, so I am writing as it is in first place, nothing but 10th place. 7 is in 100th place, so I am writing in 100th place. After leaving 10th place, I am writing in 100th place. Now expand again with the help of hundreds, tens, that means 10 powers. So 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 0.8. How we are writing 0.8 as? 8 by 10 we are writing here. Plus 7 by 100 we are writing here. This can be written as once again 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 8 into 1 by 10 I am writing here plus 7 into 1 by 100 I am writing here. Write down 5 into 10 to the power of 2. 100 can be written as 10 to the power of 2. Next plus 4 into 10 to the power of 1 we are writing here plus 3 into 1 we have here. 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0. So 3 into 10 to the power of 0 plus 8 into. Sir, what 1 by 10 can be written as? In the previous we have observed here what 1 by 10 can be written as. It can be written as 10 to the power of minus 1 we can write. 1 by 10 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 1. What next we have? 1 by 100 we have. So plus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 2 we are writing here. Now you observe this is the powers is in decreasing position. First of all we got 2, later 1, later 0, later minus 1, later minus 2. The powers exponents is going to be decreased whenever number is given here. Let me take another example here. 1234.567, sorry, 0.567. 1234.567. 1 is in thousands place, 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tenths place, 6 is in hundredths place, and 7 is in thousandths place. Now expand this as it is. 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4 plus 5 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. 5 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Now again you write down like this: 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Next, what we have? 5 by 10 we have here. So plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 1000 we can write here. Now what we are writing here? 1000 we are writing in the power of 10 cube. So 1 into 10 to the power of 3 we are writing, plus 2 into 10 to the power of 2 we are writing, plus 3 into 10 to the power of 1 we are writing, plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0 we are writing, plus 5 into 1 by 10. 1 by 10 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 1. So 5 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus, is it visible? Okay, plus 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 3 we can write here. Once again, 1234.567. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Now 1 into 10 to the power of 3, 2 into 10 to the power of 2, 3 into 10 to the power of 1, 4 into 10 to the power of 0, 5 into 1 by 10 can be written as 10 power minus 1, 1 by 100 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 2, and 1 by 1000 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3. So like this we can expand even the decimals into the form of exponents also. Okay. One more example I am taking here. .0.00005. You observe here, integral part is 0 here. Integral part is 0. We don't have anything here. Next, after that, tenth part is also 0. Hundredths part is also 0. Thousandths part is also 0. Even 10,000ths part is also 0. Now lakhs part is 5. Now how we are going to write this? First of all, convert this decimal into fraction, nothing but rational number. How we are going to write this as 5 by. After decimal, how many zeros you are finding here? 4 zeros plus 1 number. So totally how many digits we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits we have. So write down 1, after that 5 digits. How much it is going to be? 1 lakh it is going to be. 5 by 1 lakh. Now this 1 lakh, how many zeros you are finding here? 5 zeros we are finding here. These 5 zeros, how we are writing it as? Now 1 can be written as 5 into 1 by 10 to the power of 5 we can. 5 into 10 to the power of 5 we are writing here. Now this is in denominator. What 10 to the power of minus 5 can be written as? It can be written as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 we can write here. So that means whenever we are bringing this to numerator, that symbol of denominator is going to be changed here. According to the formula, a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power m. So this is minus 5 plus 5 is becoming minus 5. So what we can write now? So therefore we are writing it as 0.00005 as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 we are writing. Okay, we may try one more here. 0.00006. Same problem I am taking, only the value of 5 is changing here. Or else you may take one more 0 here. 2 zeros I took, I am writing now 7. Observe here, after digit, how many we have here? After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits we have here. So it can be written as 7 by, how many zeros? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It can be written as 7 by 10 to the power of 7, or else 7 into 10 to the power of minus 7 we can write here. Okay, so like this we can write even the bigger number given in decimals into short form by using exponents. And these will have some names, usual form and standard form. Later we will discuss in our next classes. Okay, just I am converting the number which is given in large writing, for large writing, simply I am writing in shortcut with exponents. Okay, so what we have discussed today, we have discussed about exponents. Suppose if I am writing 2 into 2 into 2 like 7 times, it can be written as 2 to the power of 7. Here 2 is called base, 7 is called exponent. Okay, so what next? We have positive exponents as well as negative exponents also. And negative exponents, if I am taking with base 10, 10 to the power of minus 2, how we are writing here? 1 by 100 we are writing here. Depending on the exponent, numerical value. What is the numerical value of 10 to the power of minus 2 exponent here? In minus 2 we have numerical value 2. So that's why we are keeping 2 zeros in the denominator after 1. 1 by 100 it is going to be. Okay. Now after that what we have discussed? We have discussed about expanded form. Directly integers can be expanded in the form of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Basing on the number we can write, and basing on the number of zeros we can write the exponent 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 4 like that. And whenever coming to decimal parts, we will get again tens, hundreds, thousands like this. Now tenths can be written as 1 by 10, and this 1 by 10 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 1. Hundreds, 1 by 100, 2 zeros can be written as 10 to the power of minus 2. Thousands, 1 by 1000 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3. So by using all this, we are expanding the given numbers to us. Okay, so this is enough for today's class. Okay, thank you, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you. చూస్తున్న టైం.
Okay, my dear, understand our topics are going to be very fruitful to you. Next, రేపు మార్నింగ్ వచ్చేసి 10కి 10:15కి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఉంటుంది, 11కి బయాలజీ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎప్పటిలా ఏదే టైంకి వచ్చేసి మళ్ళీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో బాగా చదవండి, ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. కరోనా ఎక్కువగా ఉంది కాబట్టి బయటకు రాకండి. మీరు బయటకు వచ్చి అందరినీ ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకండి. మీన్స్ యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.